Hi trader, this video is focused on fractals. What are they and how do we use them for trading? First of all though, be aware that this video is for education and informational purposes only. Please pause the video here to read the entire disclaimer. If by continuing watching this video, you agree with this disclaimer. First of all, fractals are an indicator which you can find by going to Insert on MT4, going to Bill Williams, Indicators, Bill Williams, and then you'll find fractals. When you click on fractals, you'll get these triangles basically on top and below candles. So you can go to right-click on the fractals and you go to Properties and you can change the color, you can change the size, the thickness, and you can change whether you have them on all time frames or just the ones you choose. But what is a fractal? They look like arrows, right? Well, they give support and resistance. A fractal shows a candle high or candle low that has an importance in the market. Why does this particular candle high have an importance? Because the fractal is on top of it, which means that that particular candle high is a resistance. The reason why it is a resistance is because two candles to the left and two closed candles to the right, so all candles closed. So out of a group of 5 candles, the middle candle is the highest. That's why that is a stronger level. That means that there are candles going up and then candles going down. So that means that this level stop price and therefore is a new resistance spot. Now the opposite is true for fractals below the candle. In that case, the low is the support. All right, and that's also the same rule though as the resistance fractal. Two candles to the left, closed candles, two closed candles to the right are higher than the one in the middle, and therefore that particular low, the low of this candle, right, is the crucial support level. So sometimes, of course, there are more candles. Look at this particular fractal right here, for instance. Let's take a look at this one. Now that candle has a lot of lows that are higher and a lot of lows to the left and to the right. So 2 candles on the left and 2 candles on the right is a minimum, but there is no maximum. In fact, this particular fractal is a strong bottom, and from that perspective could actually have more importance to the market than perhaps these fractals right in here that are kind of bunched together. So all fractals are support or resistance. Some fractals will be of higher importance because they're bottoms and tops. All right, but the fractal shows where those support and resistance levels are in a very, very quick fashion. We don't have to kind of squint our eyes to find them and really do our best to locate them. The fractal just plots it on the chart. No problems. No difficulties to spot them. All right, so that's great. That's why I love fractals. And how can we use these fractals? Well, we can use them for support and resistance. Of course, that means that price could bounce at resistance, bounce at support, but it could also break support and break resistance. So bounce and break spots, definitely. It depends on the time frames. For instance, on an analysis chart like this, it could be used for identifying the trend. Fractals, higher highs and higher lows, indicating uptrend. Lower lows, lower highs, indicating downtrend. But on an entry chart, for instance, whatever that is for you, if that's a 15 or hourly or 4-hour even, that depends from trader to trader. But let's say I'm using a 50-minute chart for an entry chart, and I'm looking for a break like this, and basically a breakout, bearish breakout, then this fractal break could be that, could be used for me as an entry for a downside trade. Now these are standard fractals. I myself use a custom designed fractal. And those are these triangles and circles. These are special fractals because they change in color and shape, and that gives me information about the fractal in relationship to the moving averages. If you're interested in this, Check out our next video about how to use advanced fractals to benefit your trading. In the meantime, don't forget to sign up on our website, elitecurrency.com. The link is in the left upper corner. Wish you all great trading. Talk to you soon. Cheers.